A kangaroo's tail is more than just a long, heavy appendage. It's a powerful muscle that acts like a third leg. When a kangaroo hops, its tail swings forward and pushes against the ground, adding extra force to each leap. This helps them reach high speeds and maintain balance. When standing still, they often use their tail for support, forming a stable tripod with their hind legs. This unique tail allows kangaroos to move efficiently and conserve energy, making it a crucial part of their survival in the wild.